Hello my dear students. Our topic is the data types, and in the data types we will see the different types of data types, that is scalar, composite, access and file type. So in that the first is a scalar type. Our today's topic is a scalar type. Now what is this scalar type, or what are the different types of scalar types that we will discuss here. The values belonging to this type are ordered, because we already discussed that scalar type. That scalar type is that the value belonging to this type appear in a sequential order, that we already discussed. So that values belonging to this type are ordered in sequential order, that is relational operator can be used on these values. For example, a bit is a scalar type and expression 0 less than 1 is valid and he has a value true. There are the four different kinds of scalar types, and these types are, again a scalar type has four different subtypes, and that four subtypes is the first is enumeration, second is integer, third is physical, and fourth is the floating. Enumeration, integer, physical and floating. Integer type and floating type and physical types are classified as a numeric type. Integer, physical and floating, these are the numeric types. Since the value associated with this type are numeric, integer, physical and floating, this is a numeric type, and so the values associated with these types are numeric. Further, the enumeration and integer types are called as a discrete type, since these types have discrete values associated with them. Every value belonging to an enumeration type, integer type or the physical type has a position number associated with it. This number is the position of the value in the order list of the values belonging to this type. So these are the four basic types of the scalar type: enumeration, integer, physical and floating. Out of this, integer, physical, floating, these are the numeric type because they are associated with a certain number. Okay, so in that first, today we will see the first type, enumeration. An enumeration type. An enumeration type defines a type that has a set of user defined values consisting of identifier and character literals. For example, we will take a simple example. Type MVL is U01Z. Type micro OP is load, store, add, subtract, multiply, division. Subtypes arith underscore OP is micro underscore OP, range, add to division. Example of objects defined for these types are signal, control underscore A, MVL. The signal clock MVL is the range from 0 to 1. There is implicit subtype declarations variable. Micro OP underscore is equals to micro underscore OP is equals to store. Store is the initial value of IC. Variable ALU arith underscore OP. MVL is an enumeration type. This MVL is a enumeration type that has a set order values U01Z. Arith underscore OP is a subtype of base type. Arith underscore OP is subtype of the base type micro OP. This micro OP is the base type and this is a subtype, and has a range constant specified add to division, and has range constant defined add to division. That is the value addition, subtraction, multiplication, division belonging to the subtype arith underscore OP A range constraint can also be specified in an object declaration shown in the signal declaration for the clock. Here the value of signal clock is restricted from 0 to 1. Here you observe that signal clock MVL is restricted in the range of 0 to 1. The order of the values appearing in an enumeration type declaration define the lexical order for the values. That is, when using the relational operator, a value is always less than a value that appears to its right in order. For the instance, in the micro underscore op type declaration. For example, the store division is true and subtraction multiplication is false. The values of enumeration type also have a position number associated with them. The position number of the leftmost element is 0. The position number of any particular element is 1 more than the position number of the element is in left. The values of enumeration type is called as enumeration literals. For example, consider the following enumeration type declaration. If the same literal is used to define literal is used in two different enumeration type declaration, the literal is said to be overloaded. In such a case, whenever such a literal is used, the type of literal is determined from its surrounding context. The following example clarifies it. That type MVL is a UV U1 1Z, type 2 2 state 01. Variable clock is 2 state. Variable latch is control MVL, that is CL3T control. Clock 0. Latch dot control is equal to latch control XOR 0. Okay. Here zeros and ones are the two literals that are overloaded since they are appear in the both type MVL and a 2 state. The value 0 being assigned to a clock in a line 5 refer to the lateral 2 state type. Since the variable clock is of the type the value 0, expression for the latch control refers to the lateral in the type of MVL. Since the first argument of the XOR operator is type MVL, this is assumed that the XOR operator is allowed for MVL type operands, which is achieved by overloading the operator. The overloading the predefined enumeration type of the language are character, bit, boolean like belonging to the type of character constituent 128 character of the ASCII character set. These values are also called as the character literals, are always written between the two signal codes. For example, A, 1, B, like that. This is all about the enumeration type. This enumeration type that we completed here, and this is the first type of a scalar type. In the next video, we will try to discuss the next part of the scalar type, that is integer types. Okay, thank you very much.